Introduction. Affiliate marketing in 2025 is changing fast. New platforms, smarter tools, and more noise than ever. So how do you find a real affiliate program? One that helps you succeed, especially if you're just starting. Today I'm going to show you the exact program I recommend for beginners. It's free to join, it includes traffic, and it pays you commissions for life. This isn't hype. This is MAP, Master Affiliate Profits, and it's a game changer for affiliate beginners. Why most affiliate programs fail? Beginners. Let's be honest. Most affiliate programs set you up to fail. They give you a link and wish you luck. You're on your own to learn traffic, build funnels, write emails. It's overwhelming. Worse, some programs take your leads, market to them directly, and cut you out of future sales. Others stop paying after one sale, even if that customer keeps buying for years. If you've tried affiliate marketing before and didn't get results, it's not your fault. You didn't have a real system. What makes a great affiliate program in 2025? If you're starting affiliate marketing now, here's what you should look for. Step-by-step training, so you're not left guessing built-in traffic. Because paid ads are expensive. Lifetime commissions. You get paid again and again. Second-tier earnings. Earn when your referrals refer done-for-you pages. No coding, no setup headaches. Lead ownership. You keep every contact you generate. Fast, transparent payouts. No thresholds or tricks. If a program checks all those boxes, it's built for your success. And that's exactly what MAP delivers. What is MAP? Master Affiliate Profits. MAP isn't just another affiliate product. It's an entire affiliate marketing ecosystem designed to give you training, traffic, and tools, all under one roof. You get a simple onboarding that walks you through setting up your funnel-free traffic when you upgrade to Platinum A lead system that builds your list, not someone else's lifetime and second-tier commissions. Weekly payouts and transparent tracking, a supportive Facebook community, and live coaching. You can literally get started in one afternoon without paying anything. My experience with MAP so far: I joined MAP because I was tired of systems that didn't deliver. What stood out to me immediately was how beginner-friendly it is. The training is structured. The tools are done for you. The process just works. When I upgraded to Platinum, the system started sending traffic directly to my squeeze page. That's huge, because traffic is the one thing that trips most people up. I started building my list right away. And once I had a few subscribers, commissions started coming in. This wasn't months of grinding. It was results in my first few weeks. Who MAP is perfect for? If you're brand new to affiliate marketing, tired of chasing programs that overpromise, looking for long-term passive income, someone who wants help with traffic, or someone who just wants a plug-and-play system that pays, then MAP was built for you. How to get started today. Getting started is simple. Click the link in the description to create your free MAP account. You'll get instant access to the members area and training. You can upgrade to Platinum later to unlock free traffic. But there's no pressure. Start with the training, build your first funnel, and watch how quickly your list and your income starts to grow. Final thoughts. If you're serious about building affiliate income in 2025, MAPI is the smartest first step you can take. You're not just joining a program. You're joining a movement, one that puts affiliates first. Click the link below, get started, and I'll see you inside.